question I get a lot is, Gowan, why and how did you hire so many VAs to actually help you leverage and scale your business? So if you're watching this video right now, I suggest you to hit the subscribe button. You might be watching this on Instagram. Go ahead and turn on the post notification because, again, I always give value. And with today's video, we're actually going to dive into my computer because I'm going to show you guys on how to hire VAs. But before we actually dive into my computer, I want to talk to you guys and tell you why we actually hire VAs, right? So many VAs. And the number one reason is to actually delegate our tasks. Of course, when you're running a business, you don't want to focus too much into the business, right? You don't want to put so much time into doing certain things that you can actually hire people overseas, right? Which can be websites like, number one, it can be onlinejobs.ph. Number two, you can go to Upwork. Number three, you can even go to Fiverr. And even number four, you can go to Indeed. And I'm going to break down the difference between all these sites and why you should go to either or, because it can actually help you take your business to the next level. Now, of course, we like delegating everything that we do. For example, let's just say that we are looking for someone to manage our LinkedIn ads, right? Of course, you're not going to sit there and do the posting, do the follow-up messages, do the connections, do all the marketing. You want to outsource, right? Because you got to ask yourself this question: would I sit there would I sit there and do all of this when I can actually pay someone anywhere from $2 to $5 an hour to actually knock this out while I focus on the important part of my business, which can be content creating, right? Which can be restructuring and redeveloping your business, or restructuring your foundation, right? Or probably even adding more important key core things to help grow and scale your business. So this is why we actually love using VAs. Even when it comes to email marketing, I used to actually do the email marketing until I hired a VA, and my VA is actually good and specialized in email marketing, which we pay her $4.50 an hour to run all our email campaigns, right? Email blast, set up the automation, set up the list, and etc. So this is why we love actually utilizing virtual assistants. Now, we probably might be asking, when should I hire a virtual assistant? Well, I'm going to tell you this: when you feel like the task is getting heavier and heavier on you and you don't have time to rest away from your business, that's when you actually hire a VA, right? And it's very easy, very simple. We're actually going to dive into my computer where I can be able to show you guys on how to actually hire a VA and where to search. Let's go. All right, guys, great. So in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how you can literally start hiring virtual assistants right now in your business for different positions. It can be for marketing, it can be for sales reps, it can be for someone to do, data entry, someone that can handle your day-to-day tasks. It might be clearing your emails, it might be, handling your calendar. Anything that you need to really automate, you can actually find a virtual assistant from a lot of these platforms. And the first platform that we're on is called onlinejobs.ph. And of course, this is a simple process of setting this up. I'm going to go through it with you really, really quick, really smooth, so that you can actually start implementing these strategies immediately. Now, the first thing is that, let's say that you are, of course, looking for a sales rep, right? So you can go ahead and put, let's say, credit repair sales rep. Let's say you're looking for a sales rep in credit repair, which the reason why, I would recommend to hire a sales rep, but at the same time, you have to, understand your hiring process, right? You have to look at a few different things. Can these VAs speak proper English? Do they have history understanding? Have they worked with like a credit repair company in the past, and etc. Right? So of course you put, job title, credit repair sales rep, job description, what you are actually looking for. The type of employee, if it's going to be full-time, part-time, or freelance, right? Let's just say part-time. Wages, salary, you can do monthly, right? You can do, hourly. You can start off at what you want to start it off at. So we'll just say $500 a month. Required ID. Now this part, we actually like setting it at 65 to 70. Now the reason why is because this is more of a confirmation to us to let us know that the person that we're dealing with is who they say they are. It's more of a verification stage for onlinejobs.ph. So that's definitely good. Then we're going to go to the job skills. So what skills are we looking for? What are their primary skills, secondary skills, and secondary skills too? Primary skills, we can make sure that, hey, we're looking for sales reps. So they have to have, let's say, if, we might be thinking about long term, we can just say marketing and sales. and then we can come to once we they give us the options, and these are just optional. We can come in here and go ahead and click the one that we're looking for. So it's going to be sales representative. Then we're going to go to secondary skill 2, and then we can say customer service and admin support. Right now we can look in here and see if it's email support, phone support, tech support, customer support, content moderation, or even not professional, but project management, right? And then you can pick out, the different options that you're looking for, right? That you're looking to hire. Now, one thing I would definitely say is once you post a job, especially with onlinejobs.ph, you're going to want to make sure that you pay for I think it's like $60, $59 or $60. And what would that do is that it's going to push your post in front of multiple people so you can be able to have a lot of applicants, right? And this kind of actually speeds up the process, especially if you're in detail of what you're looking for. You're gonna find the right people, maybe even someone way better, right? We have hired some dope people from onlinejobs.ph, and it's been insane. They're actually helping us with a lot of stuff from system build outs and etc. So the next site is called Upwork, right? Of course, you probably heard of Upwork. Okay, Upwork. Let me make sure this is recording. Okay. All right, so Upwork, right? And now what you would do is on Upwork, you can be able to, again, do the same thing, but the only difference between onlinejobs.ph versus Upwork is on Upwork, you're really not going to find a lot of people that are going to be anywhere from the $3, $4, $5, $6, $7 hour range, right? A lot of these people on here are going to be more of people that if you're looking for someone for social media marketing, right? Let's just say someone to set up your campaigns. You can definitely find someone on onlinejobs.ph, but on here, you can be able to look at different things, their history, right? Their ratings, their star, right? You can actually see their feedback from other clients, right? What have they left that is positive, right? And so forward. So that's the good thing about Upwork. Now with Upwork, like I said, again, you can do so much different searching. You can, find all type of people, coders, developers, literally everything. The same way it goes for Indeed. Now with Indeed, this is something a little bit different. If you're looking for, let's say, executive assistants, right? That's US based, or let's say that you're looking for a sales rep that's US based, right? Like just US based, right? Indeed is the best place to go. I hired my executive assistant from Indeed, and it's the best decision that I have made. Helped me with, every single thing, right? So, so excited that you guys actually, understand the process of how to hire people, especially using onlinejobs.ph, Upwork, and even Indeed. Of course, I would say do your own research to figure out which platform is going to be best for what you're looking for. But we do a lot of our hiring from literally onlinejobs.ph and Indeed. We used to use Upwork a lot, but we kind of slowed down on there because we're finding exactly who we need on these two platforms. All right, so I will see you guys. Hopefully you guys understood and you guys learned something from this video. All right, make sure to drop a comment on something that you want to see in my next video, and I'll definitely get that recorded. All right, guys.